Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my weekend study vlog as today is Sunday and today I woke a bit late like around 5 a.m. because it was holiday and I will get enough time for my studies. So as soon as I wake up I did my normal morning rituals. Then after that here I started to make my to-do list, and here I was making to-do list of the chapters which I'm going to do today, or what chapters I have to do in the further week, because I have joined offline coaching also, so I have to go according to it. So I have to make planner. Then as soon as I waked up I started to study history because I'm so lagging behind in history and I need to complete it fast. Like history is getting little bit trickier for me because in ninth grade I didn't study history. Like literally I didn't study history except French Revolution, because the Nazism chapter and the socialism chapter was hard, especially the socialism. It was like the hardest chapter I can say. Like Nazism was interesting, but the socialism was on the another level. Like it's, oh my god, I can't even express that chapter, that how hard was it. So it is getting hard for me, but I'm trying to grab up the things or grasp the things of history, and I have completed till third chapter, third topic only. In school we are lagging behind. In school also we are lagging behind in history, and because of that our games period is cancelled. Like it is the worst feeling for students, like when your games period is being cancelled. Like in the whole week we are only having one games period, and that is also getting cancelled. Because of that history period we have to complete our history syllabus, and I'm not in favor of that. Then in the breakfast I ate this poha and this soaked chanas, you can say, because getting protein is also important. Like when I was in ninth grade, at night suddenly my body started paining, and I told my mother and father about that. Then we went to the hospital after when I came from school, and then I told the doctor that I am having some symptoms like from many days, and at night my body started paining. uh, and he told me that these are the symptoms of like it is the deficiency of blood and protein in our body. So from that moment I started taking care of my body, and here I'm doing footprint chapter number 1, a trump of surgery. Like this chapter is so interesting. Like the class 10th English is only like little bit twisted. Like in the first flight first chapter, that letter to God, like it was like funny story I can say, and this is also one type of the funny story. Like that dog was like the bloated sausage, and it made me laughed so hard in the class when the teacher was explaining that chapter. Then after that here I'm doing mathematics, and in mathematics I'm doing solved examples and the NCERT solutions. Like I have heard from many YouTubers that if we are doing the NCERT, we should do it very properly, like 2 to 3 times, and we should revise it on the regular interval. Like because from many questions in the board exams are coming from the NCERT itself. And as you know I am having standard maths, so but NCERT will be not enough for me. I will also solve so many examples and some questions in from my coaching. I am getting modules also, so I am having no problem, but I will think about any again worksheets or PDF from the Google itself. And now it's summer days, like the summer have started, like it has almost arrived, and it's the summer season we can say. And that heat is terrible, like the sun rays, like the scorching heat. Like when I'm just coming from the school bus, like it's so hot, like my skin is feeling that, and because of that I'm getting tanned also. Like I'm going to swimming pool also, so in swimming pool also we are having the timing between 5 to 6, and in 5 to 6 the sun, like this it is sunlight only. So because of the sunlight, when I'm in swimming pool I'm getting the tan itself. And how to remove tan, if you have any idea, please leave that idea in the comment section below. And you guys have joined any summer camp or any classes to learn any skill in summer, so please tell me. Like I have joined summer classes, and I will again search about any summer camp or any other skill to learn in the summer vacation itself, because I can't waste this holidays. So I will think about it. And in the evening I went to temple for like it was Sunday, so I thought I'm having enough time, so I should go to temple and seek blessings from God. Then after that, here I started to write my practical, physics practical I can say. And when I was in ninth class, I haven't written my practicals, and I know that in the last moment how I struggled. And in the last year, like in the last session in the ninth class, I have written only physics and chemistry practicals. I haven't written biology practical, and I was scolded so bad. And I know that in the last moment I wasn't able to give the practical exam properly. That when I was writing this practical, I was listening to some music, and it's my favorite part. Like whenever I'm just writing any notes or anything, I'm listening to music in the background. And after that, here I started to write my Hindi notes. Like we have to write notes by ourselves only, and I'm just copying from Google. It's not only me, it's all about every student who is watching this video. Like there may be some exception of students who are not writing notes from Google, but I prefer the answer from Google itself. Like they are giving the correct information so that I can study it properly. Then after that, here I'm doing chemical equations, like the balancing equation part. Like I'm having a big sheet and I have to solve it. Like I have downloaded from my Google itself, and here I'm solving the question, and I'm doing from the coefficient method, which I have solved on YouTube. I think so I have watched video of Alak sir, and I can say that coefficient method is the easiest way. And in the May month also, we are having, like I am having my school for 7 to 8 days, and like the heat is so much that I am so worried. And that's all for my today's video. I hope you like this vlog. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you in my next vlog. Bye.